सो वेल देन हेलो एवरीबडी वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। सो गाइस, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ मनोज वैभव एंड ज्वेलर्स लिमिटेड आईपीओ के बारे में। सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एज द नेम सजेस्ट, इट्स अ jeweler and it's going to be having a really big problem solving. It's borrowing. Now I'm going to discuss this deeply in this video. So let's get started. First of all guys, ये आईपीओ आ कब रहा है? सितंबर 22 से लेकर सितंबर 26 तक है और 10 रुपये फेस वैल्यू है, विच इज अ प्लस साइन फ्रॉम माई साइड बिकॉज दे हैव अ रूम टू स्प्लिट देयर शेयर इन द नियर फ्यूचर एज वेल. Now price band is from 204 to 215 per piece per share, which is a decently sized price band, and I'm going to be suggesting that the lot size is good enough, but I am not going to be applying, and I'll explain it later on in the video. Cash problems, everything I'm going to be explaining, so don't worry guys, just stick with me throughout this video. Total issue size is 270 crores, and out of which fresh issues of 210 and 60 crores is offered for sale. तो इससे गाड़ी Porsche या बेंटली या रोल्स रॉयस जो वो चाहे प्रमोटर ले सकता है. बेसिकली इस केस में है क्या, अगर आप ध्यान से देखोगे आपको पता चलेगा इस केस में HUF बेच रहा है प्रमोटर का. ठीक है, तो अभी आपको आगे डीप डाइव डिस्कस करेंगे तो अच्छे से समझ में आएगा सब कुछ. अब NSE BSE दोनों पे लिस्ट हो रहा है, प्लस साइन फ्रॉम माई साइड. लिस्टिंग डेट यहाँ मेंशन नहीं है पर यहाँ पे मेंशन है, टेंटेटिव है गाइस, तो इसको दिमाग में रखना कि इसके आसपास होगी. ठीक है, सो यू मस्ट नो दैट दिस इज नॉट द एग्जैक्ट डेट बट इट इज काइंड ऑफ द एवरेज और द near around date. Now anchor investors are only getting 30% and I'm supportive of this, and QIB are only getting 20%. That is also what I'm supportive of because 50% of the shares lie in the hands of retail or the general public. Now HNI category is somewhat the general public, but they do have a say certain times. But what I'm going to say is that the shareholding is indicating a good sign for us, and shareholding post issue for the promoter is going to be 74%, which is actually a good sign. Shareholder, the promoter kind of has a lot of share in his hand, so he's going to be intact with the company. And moving ahead, we can see that the assets have grown significantly. The revenue has kind of declined significantly, uh, but the profit of tax has also declined. Now according to my analysis, we have to ignore this last line from 30th June. Let's just take an analysis account of the first four rows till here, and let's not look at this because this is going to be a wrong data for our analysis. So let's just ignore this total right end, and if I had the option to remove it I would have removed it as well. Now using this I can get a sure shot analysis that the assets have grown, revenue has grown, profit after tax has grown, net worth of the company has grown, reserves and surplus have grown, and the total borrowing has also kind of grown. you know now I'm gonna suggest why they're gonna be having a problem to repay the borrowing. Look at the reserves and surplus. They only have 305 and they have a total borrowing of 460. Okay, now look at the net worth. Net worth is an indicator, it's not a realistic figure. Okay, now profit after tax is only 71 crores. Now add both the numbers, reserves and profit after tax. Now after that you get 376 crores. After that use a little bit of the assets, only then you will be able to match the borrowing. Now they are getting a capital influx or addition of 210 crores. Now that's gonna be a real game changer for the company, but according to my analysis I'm not gonna be investing in this company again. The PE ratio is good, market cap is a little less, but okay, we can work with that. ROE is good, ROCE little less, debt to equity slightly on the worst side, EPS good, RONW slightly lower than what I expected. And what are the objects of this issue as shown in the red herring perspectives? To open 8 new showrooms and for the inventory capital of those 8 new showrooms and general corporate purposes. Now, keeping all of this in mind, I am going to be suggesting you to stay out of this IPO because they are going to be totally and totally using this money to repay on their borrowing and make new showrooms. And this capital expenditure is going to only add in on making them borrow more money because now they can pay some amount. Now this company is going to dilute further in the near future is my analysis for this company, and maybe I'm wrong, but I am just going to suggest you to stay out of it for 1 or 2 months. Look at the price charts, make a view, then invest. I'll be there with you. I will suggest you when to buy it or when to sell it. But I'm just gonna give you an idea for right now that you should not invest in this company. Again, keeping in mind that a little disclaimer is always included in our videos. I'm not a SEBI registered personnel, nor am I a financial advisor. So please consult your financial advisor or do your own due diligence before investing in any company or any IPO. Now, keeping all of this in mind, let's have a look at what is the subscription rate on day one. Only 0.14%. Now, it was a weekday in general, so we're not going to be taking these numbers as exactly as it may seem, but it is going to get subscribed at least 1x. So let's keep that in mind. Now, after reading the red herring prospectus, I found nothing except the fact that the promoter HUF Gandhi Bharta Mallika Ratna Kumari HUF is selling its stake at rupees 9.71 per share. Now, keeping all of this in mind and having a GMP of rupees 13 on today and before having zero GMP, I'm going to suggest you to stay out of this IPO. Why? My main reasons are going to be one, they're going to use the money to repay their borrowing, they're going to borrow more in future. For third, they are not going to be using the money properly right now because they do not have an idea of how a public company works. They're not very well understood in the market, they're not very namey in the market, and I can go on and on to present to you my point. They're not going to be opening up on a premium. Keep that in mind. They do not have a very huge gray market premium, so you're not going to be seeing a major jump, not even a 5 to 6% jump. So keep that in mind and do not invest in this IPO, is my analysis. If you want, you can share any of your ideologies or thoughts in the description, oh sorry, the comment section, and give a like to this video if you liked any of the analysis that I have explained. And one more thing, guys, you can click the subscribe button and press that bell icon as well, so you will be updated every time I upload a video. Now this way we can both stay connected with each other and have a healthy discussion every time we see a thing happening in the market. Thanks for watching. Bye bye, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.